Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making Jamaican beef soup, so let's get started. So the first ingredients will be pumpkin, but instead of pumpkin I am using spaghetti squash, or you can use butternut squash, and I'm just going to cut the squash up into smaller pieces. Now here I have some stewing beef, and I'm just going to add the beef along with the squash into some boiling water, and here I have 5 cups of water, and I'm just going to allow this to cook for about 40 minutes. While that is cooking, I'm just going to prepare the other ingredients. So here I have some potatoes, which I'm going to cut up into smaller pieces as well. So do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. And now I'm just going to place it in some cold water just to avoid the potatoes from changing color. And here I have some chocho, and I'm just going to peel and cut up into smaller pieces. And now I have some carrots. And here I have some sweet corn, and I'm just going to cut each corn into 4 pieces. Now I have some yellow yam, and I'm just going to cut both sides of the yam and peel. Also, you want to place this in some cold water as well, so just to avoid the yam from changing color. Now it's been 40 minutes and the beef is tender, so I'm just going to add all the other ingredients to the pot. And now it's time to add our seasoning, so I'm adding allspice, thyme, green onions, and scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm just going to place a whole scotch bonnet pepper in the pot. And now I'm just going to add 2 more cups of water, and I'm going to cook for an additional 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to remove my scotch bonnet pepper only because it broke, otherwise I would have left it in there. And now I'm just going to add my soup mix, and I'm going to cook this for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And once it's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.